Hey there, my name's Dan. I'm Parts and Service Advisor at Leeds Jennings Harley-Davidson, and I'd just like to go over our battery tenders and how useful they can be all year round and especially in the winter. Inside the packaging is obviously one of the Harley-Davidson waterproof battery tenders, and then with that it comes two sets of connectors. These ones you can connect directly to your battery, and these ones are for the tender itself. Now you won't need this if you've bought a bike from us because they come fitted with these over the past couple of years, but if your bike's older than that you will need to connect this to your battery in the normal way. Now both of these connect to the tender using this connection here, so it's dead simple. Obviously if you bought a bike from us in the past couple of years, you are going to have this little connector coming out from the front of your battery. It will be the same on Sportsters, Dyners, Softails. It will be, obviously the battery is in here, and then coming out from the front is going to be the little connector, and the tender literally just plugs straight in there, and you can leave it on all day, all night. Plug it in as soon as you finish riding, and you'll always have charge in your battery and it'll always fire up. They're really useful in the winter because obviously the cold weather does drain the battery a lot more naturally, because these bikes do have an immobilising alarm on them. So it's really useful in the winter, but you can still use them in the summer to make sure you're keeping your battery up to speed. So if you are interested in one of these, by all means give us a shout at Leeds Harley-Davidson or Gateshead, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you very much.